Hello everyone. To make the online teaching learning process very interesting, we at Birla Balika Vidyapeeth have initiated various ways of online projects. One of such events is mathematics quiz. The idea is conceived by Dr. M. Kasturi, Principal Birla Balika Vidyapeeth, and with her support and guidance, the school is initiating various innovative online projects. Myself, Achla Verma, PGT Mathematics, will be conducting the quiz where we have super energetic participants of the event, all from class 12th commerce stream. We have three teams with us today. Team A is Charu Surana. The next participant is Hetvi Detroja. The third participant of Team A is Aranya Singh. Then the Team B is of Khushi Khudania, Jyoti Agarwal, and Anvesha Agarwal. Team C consists of Trisha Jhunjhunwala, Tanushri Halan, and Shelja Lohia. Let's begin and have a look at the rules of the game. The rules are, the quiz will consist of 3 rounds today. Round 1 will be knowledge based, that is, the questions will require reasoning along with answers. Round 2 will be application based, that is, questions will have to be solved using the concept. Round 3 will be a rapid fire round based on evaluation, that is, calculation based questions. In round 1 and 2, each team will be asked 2 questions and each correct answer will carry 10 points and wrong answer will deduct 2 points. The team will get 30 seconds to answer each question. If the team does not know the answer for a question, they can pass to the next team. If the question is passed by a team, no points will be deducted, but the team that gives correct answer will get 5 points and wrong answer will not deduct any points. Round 3, the rapid fire round, each team has to answer 5 questions in 3 minutes. Each correct answer will be awarded 5 points. Questions cannot be passed in rapid fire round. Scores will be announced at the end of every round. Best of luck, everybody. Let's begin. Round 1, let's check your knowledge. And the first question goes to Team A. The question is, what type of relation is R? Ordered pairs AB, A is less than equal to B when A and B are real numbers. Your time starts now.
Yeah, bolo.
Team A, 30 seconds over. The question passes to Team B.
Ma'am, answer is equivalence.
But no,
Ma'am, it is not equivalence.
Sorry,
It is not equivalence.
It is passed to Team B. It is passed to Team B. Team B, can you answer this question? What type of relation is R, which is of all ordered pairs such that A is less than or equal to B, where A, B are real numbers? Team B, can you answer?
Reflexive and symmetric.
That is only half correct.
Ma'am, can Team C answer?
Yes, Team C.
Ma'am, it is reflexive, it is transitive, but it is not symmetric.
It is not
Very
symmetric.
good. That's the right answer. So Team C will get 5 points. The next question goes to Team B. If R is a relation from set A, that is 3, 5, 7 to set B, 2, 4, 9, given by E is less than, then what are the elements of R? Your time starts now. What are the elements of R? You have to tell me the elements of R.
Ma'am, team A has to answer.
Team B has to answer. This is the question to Team B.
Ma'am, 3, 4, 5, 9, 7, 9.
Say it again.
3, 4, 5, 9, 7, 9.
You have missed one ordered pair 3, 9. So we can consider not full 10 marks, but 8 points. You would be getting 8 points for question 2. Very good. We go to the next question, that is for Team C. If function f maps real numbers to real numbers defined by f of x equal to 1 plus x square, then is this function 1, 1 or on 2? Your time starts now. Team C. That's it.
Ma'am, it is reflexive.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, it is
No,
reflexive,
it passes.
transitive, but it is not symmetric.
Ma'am, can I answer?
Team
Ma'am,
A-
can I answer?
Yes, Team B can answer.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, Team C is answering.
No, Team C cannot get now. Their time is over. Team A will answer now. Quick, Team A, your time starts.
nor 1. Ma'am, it is neither 1, 1 nor 1, 2.
Neither 1, 1 nor on 2. Yes, very
Yes,
good.
ma'am, it
Very
is
good. Because
Negative.
it is a
Negative.
parabolic curve. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
It is a
Negative numbers won't be there.
Therefore, it is neither 1, 1 nor on 2. Very good. So, Team A gets 5 points. Now, the next question goes to Team A again. Be attentive, children. This question, one kind of cake requires 300 grams of flour and 15 grams of fat. Another kind of cake requires 150 grams of flour and 30 grams of fat. Find the maximum number of cakes which can be made from 7.5 kg of flour and 600 grams of fat. Assuming that there is no shortage of the other ingredients used in making the cakes, express this as a linear programming problem and list only the constraints. I want only the constraints. You have to tell me the constraints. This is for Team A. Your time starts now. List the constraints, Team A. Your time always begins once I finish reading the question. Okay?
Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes.
Ma'am, the first constraint will be 3.
Yes.
It will be less than or equal to 7.5. 750.
I think I will pass
Gram.
the question to Team B because it's wrong.
Ma'am, I'm answering.
Team B. Team B.
3. Ma'am, x
Because the
comma
time
y
is also
greater
up.
than
Team B.
x comma y greater than equal to 0.
Yes.
300x plus 150y less than equal to 7500.
Yes.
Then 15x plus 30y less than 600.
Yes. Correct. That's the right answer. So Team B will get 5 points because the question was passed. Now the next question goes to Team B. Team B, be attentive now. Look at this graph. looking at this graph, you have to answer whether what is the maximum value of z subject to the constraints that are given. X minus y less than equal to -1, minus x plus y less than equal to 0, and x is greater than equal to 0 and y is also greater than equal to 0. Time starts already. You have the graph already. You have to look at the graph and answer. Your time is over, team B. It passes to team C.
Ma'am, it is 2x.
Team C. Team C.
Ma'am, there is no common solution.
I am asking, how do you maximize Z? You are half correct.
Ma'am, Z cannot be maximized.
Yes, that's it. Team C gets 5 points because the question was fast. I want all of you to open your videos, please. The next question goes to Team C. Look at the graph, Team C. Look at it carefully and you can see the constraints are marked there. You need to maximize Z. When the constraints are x plus 2y less than equal to 120, x plus y greater than equal to 60, x is greater than equal to 0, y greater than equal to 0. Your time starts now. Team C. Three seconds, 2 seconds, 1. That's it. Over. The question
Ma'am,
passes.
60,
Time up.
120.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have answered it. We are having 2 solutions, so we will draw an unbounded region. I have answered it.
It's not right. The question passes to Team A. Team A, can you answer it quickly? Your time has started already. Team A.
Mom.
Team A. Team A, time up. It goes to Team B now.
Ma'am, the maximum
Ma'am, the
solution lies on the line.
Yes, I can't hear.
Ma'am, solution lies on the line 0, 60 and 120, 0.
Correct. That's the right answer. So Team B gets 5 points, 5 bonus points. Now this ends round 1. So the scores at the end of round 1 are 18 and Team C is 10. Okay. Team B is leading at present. We've moved to the round 2 where we again have questions like this and each team will get 2 questions. Question is, if 3, this goes to Team A. Team A, be active please. If 3x minus 2y, 5x minus 2 is equal to 3, 5 minus 3 minus 2, then what is x plus y? Your time starts now. Team A.
Ma'am,
Yes.
value of y is -6. And x plus y is minus 9.
Correct. Team A gets full 10 points. Congratulations. This is the first score which is for 10 marks. Next question goes to Team B. If matrix A is solution of this equation, then A inverse. I want it in terms of A and I only. Okay. What is A inverse equal to, Team B? Your time starts now. Team B. Bakar,
It will be AI minus I,
louder.
AI minus I plus 2A. Ma'am, AI minus I plus 2A.
Wrong answers will be deducted.
Ma'am, can we answer?
Yes, wait. This was Team B, so it passes to Team C. Yes, and for Team B, minus 2 marks. Team C, answer the question. Your time starts now.
Ma'am, A inverse equals to I minus IA upon 2.
Yes, it is 1 by 2 I minus A. Team C gets 5 marks. Next question goes to Team C. If A is equal to minus 3, 0, 0, minus 3, then what is A to the power 4? Team C, your time starts.
Ma'am,
Time up.
A raised to power 4 equals to 81, 0, 0, 81.
There you answer.
Yes.
10 marks, 10 points.
Next.
And the next question goes to Team
Thank
A
you,
as
ma'am.
usual. What is the value of this? And you give the reason for your answer. What is the value of this? The expression that you see there, and justify your answer. Team A.
Ma'am, it is a skew symmetric matrix.
Yes.
And always a determinant of a skew symmetric matrix is 0.
Very good. Full 10 points. Team A gets full 10 points. The next question goes to Team B. What is the equation of line segment joining 3, 1 and 9, 3? Team B. Time started.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Your time. Your time up, children. The question passes. As the screen went blank, I'm giving you just few seconds more. So question passes to the next team. Team B. It passes to Team C now. What is the equation of line segment joining 3, 1 and 9, 3? Team C, if you're ready with the answer, answer it. Your time begins. There is no deduction of marks for Team B because they didn't answer. The question simply passes. Team C. Team C, time up. So the question passes to Team A now. Team A, time starts now. Team A, time starts now. Quickly answer this.
Ma'am, x minus 3y is equal to 0.
Correct. You get 5 marks. Very good, Team A. Now the next question is for Team C. Are the following system of equations consistent?
Ma'am, x
or
minus 3y is equal to 0.
Yes, yes, that is right. You got your 5 points. The next question goes to Team C. Are the following system of equations consistent or inconsistent? Your time starts now.
Ma'am, it is consistent.
It is wrong. So 2 marks deducted for Team C and the question passes to Team A. Totally. Yeah. Done? नहीं दोनों में लाते राउंड 1 and 2 अभी एक बार इनका वो हो जाएगा यू ऐड ये तो 16 ये तो 30 ये राउंड में इनको 5 फिर 10 आया फिर ये
Hello, ma'am.
yes
It is inconsistent.
now because it was not
Consistent.
consistent it had to be inconsistent. How did you do it? Justify your answer.
Ma'am, because adjoint of A into A is not equals to 0.
Did you find the determinant of A?
Yes, ma'am.
What was the determinant of A?
Ma'am, it was 35.
Team A will not get marks.
Sorry,
for
ma'am,
that.
it was.
Team A
Ma'am,
will not
determinant
get
of
marks
A,
for
we are
that.
getting 0.
The question
Ma'am,
passes
determinant
to
of A
Team
is
B.
0, sorry.
Huh? Yes, beta. The question passes to Team B. And the time starts now for Team B.
Ma'am, the system of equations are inconsistent because adjoint A into B is not equal to 0.
Why did you find adjoint A into B?
Ma'am, because the determinant was unequal to 0.
Yes. The determinant was not equal to 0. And therefore, you found out adjoint of A into B. And therefore, it becomes inconsistent. Team B will get 5 points. We go to the next. The scores at the end of round 2. Team A will be 21 and Team C 23. We move to rapid fire round where you will be given set of 5 questions which you have to answer in 3 minutes. Okay. So, round 3 rapid fire round. Set the timer for 3 minutes. And the first set goes to Team A. Team A, be ready. Question 1. A matrix A of order 3 by 3 has determinant 22. What is the value of determinant 4A? Your time starts. Already it begins in this. In 3 minutes, I have to read the question and they have to answer also. Yes, children. What is the value of determinant 4A? In rapid fire round, there is no pass of questions. Okay, it is either right or no. And there is no deduction of marks also. Only the right ones will get 5 points. I read the next question. You answer whichever you can. Find cos, determinant of cos 15.
Ma'am, question number 4. Ma'am, question number 4, I like to answer.
Ah,
Ma'am, question number 4, it is 1, 1 because every element of domain has a distinct image in
yes.
range,
Yes.
codomain, and but it is not, ma'am, but it is not onto,
Correct. You
as
get
the
5
element 2
points.
is not having
Yes.
the image.
Yes, yes. Answer
Ma'am.
some more.
Ma'am, is perpendicular to. Ma'am, is perpendicular
Is
to is only one
perpendicular to
relation which
question
is
number
only
5.
symmetric.
Very good. Is symmetric. Only
Ma'am,
symmetric
ma'am,
relation.
question number 3,
Yeah.
it will be 7.
Yes, it is 7. Correct answer. 3 correct. Second question, determinant of cos 15, sin 15, sin 75, cos 75. What is it equal to? Right, 15 points. Last minute you have. Last minute.
Ma'am, first will be 1408.
Yes, that is right answer. 4 questions answered correctly. What about question 2? The last 20 seconds.
Ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
Yes, Hetvi, are
it will be cos 15 degree plus 75 degree.
What is that equal to? Over time up, but okay. We move to team B now. The next set of questions are for team B. Team B, start. Your time starts now. The first question is, if A is a square matrix of order 3 such that determinant of adjoint of A is 64, then determinant of A is. Find X when A is this. It is a singular matrix A. Question 3, if f of x is x square plus 1 and g of x is 1 upon x minus 1, then g of f of 5 is. Question 4, if f maps R to R given by f of x equal to x cube, then is it 1, 1 or onto? Then question 5, name a relation which is only transitive. Yes. You can answer now. Team B.
I would like to answer question number 4.
Yes.
It is 1, 1 but not onto.
Go to the next question.
1, 1 but not onto.
I would like to answer question number 3.
Yes.
1 by 25.
1 by 25. That's the right answer.
Ma'am, I would like to 25.
Huh? Which question? Hello? Team B.
Yes, ma'am. You're audible. Yes, ma'am.
The last 1 minute, Team B.
Yes, ma'am.
Team B.
Ma'am, x is equal to question number 2.
Question number 2, x is equal to
3.
Louder.
Ma'am, 3.
3. The next. Answer the next.
3.
No, that's not the right answer. Second. Question number 2 is wrong. Question number 4, you didn't answer it correct. Question 3 was correct. That is 1 by 25. Name a relation which is only transitive. Time up, children.
Ma'am, 3.
Not audible. Not audible. That's why I'm giving them time. Wait. They are not audible. The connection is not clear. Team B.
Ma'am, can we answer question number 4 again?
Yes, say it quickly.
Ma'am, it is neither 1 1 nor on.
Yes, it is wrong again. It is both 1 1 and on 2. In the beginning, you answered third question correct and you have answered half of fourth correct. So I'll be giving you 7.5 marks there. Okay. Now the next set of questions goes to Team C. Your time starts now, Team C. Question 1. If determinant of this is equal to the determinant of the next, then what is the positive value of x? Question 2. Find lambda when all these 3 points are collinear. Question 3. If f of x is x square plus 4 when f maps n to range f, then f inverse of 16 is equal to what? Question 4. Is a modulus function f maps r to r given by f of x equal to mod x 1 1 or on 2? Question 5. Name a relation which is only reflexive. Start answering.
Ma'am, answer of first question is 4.
Yes, you can answer in any order. Question 4. What is the answer?
Answer of first question is 4.
Acha, answer of first question is
Value
4.
of x is 4.
Yes, correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Next.
Value of x is 4.
Next. Answer anyone. Big buck up, Team C. Answer anyone.
Ma'am, question 4.
Question 4.
Ma'am,
What is
question
the
4.
answer?
It is on 2.
Modulus function is on to?
No.
You have your last 1 minute.
Ma'am,
Answer of second question is -5.
Yes, correct. Second question, you have answered it correctly. 2 questions are correctly answered now. Yes. Team C, buck up.
ma'am, question number 5, ma'am, similar triangle.
Similar triangle, it should be only reflexive. Similar triangles is, and similar triangle is not a relation. Is similar to is a relation in the set of triangles. So it is equivalence relation, not only reflexive. 5 seconds. Time up. Team C, you have 2 questions correctly answered in this, so you get 10 points. Now, at the end of all the 3 rounds, let's look at the scores. Team A, what is Team A equal to? 55 points. Team B, 28.5 points. and Team C 33 points. The winner of the event is Team A.
Yeah, ma'am.
A wins the game. Thank you, children.
Congratulations, guys.
Yeah, ma'am.
Enthusiastic participant.
Congratulations.
Okay. You have done very well. It's a way. Did you like it? Did you enjoy the quiz?
Yes, ma'am.
You enjoyed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I too enjoyed
Yes, ma'am.
conducting it. So the winner is Team A.
Ma'am, Team A. Aranya, Hetvi.
Congratulations, Charu.
Congratulations,
Yeah.
Hetvi, Aranya.
Congratulations.